guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video for you. I'm going to be doing what I got for Christmas 2023. So first, I'd like to start off this video by wishing you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy 2024, and I hope you're enjoying the holiday season in general. This year has been a bit different for me though, because I have been taking lots of time to reflect on what's really important. So while all this is nice and fun to share, I just hope you all are having a very happy holiday season with those who matter most to you. And I hope you're also taking time to reflect on what's truly important. And again, I'd love to wish you all the very, very best for 2024. Now, let's get into what I got for Christmas. So first thing I got is this pajama set. So it's just a pajama set. New pajamas for Christmas are always nice, so pajamas. Then I got this Cocoa Lotta Tree Nut Shea Sugar Scrub. It's just a body scrub. So that's very nice. Got this first book. It's called The Bible in 52 Weeks, a year-long Bible study for, it's The Bible in 52 Weeks, a year-long Bible study for women. So there is that, and it's like, it has like lessons in it and activities, or activities to fill out, and also daily reading. So love that. The person who got me this book also gifted me this pen to go with it to write in the book. So this is like a Bible study book. I really like that. Love it. Then I got this other book, which is called Jesus Calling, Enjoying Peace in His Presence. It is a 365-day devotional, Jesus Calling. So it's, again, something like there's a passage to read in here daily. And I also love this, so love those two books. Those weren't from the same person, but kind of like on theme, right? Especially on theme for Christmas. This Crabtree and Evelyn hand cream in rose water, which I love a good hand cream. So that was super nice as well. So I got this game set to, I guess, I don't know, play poker at home or card games at home, but that's fun. I think one of my favorite gifts this year is this Estee Lauder gift set. And so basically, it's this huge gift set. It's this gift set, and it literally has, open it up. It literally has all the makeup and beauty products you can ask for, like, I would say this would last most of the year. So it's like lip glosses, there's an eyeshadow, there's 2 lipsticks, there's a serum, there's some creams, a cleanser, makeup remover, it's a mascara in here, there's a hand cream in here. Show you guys the lipsticks. I got the warm set if anyone's interested. I don't know if these are still available, but I am very excited to use all these products. And like I said, I think it was just such an awesome value. And it comes with this travel kind of travel case. Here it is again for anyone who, so there's that. More beauty. So I got some Chanel beauty. You guys may know Chanel is like my favorite beauty brand. Just really love Chanel beauty. And this year I did get Chanel gifts. The fragrance Chanel Paris Venice. And this is the 4.2 ounce bottle. And it's It's so lovely. This smells, it really reminds me a little bit of Chanel No. 5, but like a really powdery version of it. Like it smells like, to me, very powdery, but perfect for everyday use. And I really love it. So this is, again, Chanel Paris Venice. Got some samples from Chanel. They gave some like fragrance samples, and I got a sample of their Chanel No. 1 serum. So there's that. I'm in this like cute little Chanel pouch, which I love those for like traveling and actually makeup and stuff. I got another fragrance. Actually, I haven't opened this one, so let's open it together. It's Angel Share by Kilian. So here it is. This one is just like a super sweet, spicy fragrance, perfect for winter months. Yeah, it's super sweet and like spicy. I think it's perfect for the festive season. Such a gorgeous bottle too. You guys see that? So this is Kilian's Angel Share. And I got something Tiffany's. This was, so I got something from Tiffany's. You guys know the Tiffany's packaging with the ribbon. Classic, right? But I got a keyring. So I got this heart keyring, and it's like you can just unscrew the ends and like put your keys on. Perfect. Kind of random fact about me, I hate key rings, and I've been using my Louis Vuitton key holder for almost 10 years now, so I'm kind of overdue for a new key ring. And honestly, these Tiffany ones are my favorite. So that's it. It looks like a heart, actually like an open heart. Love it. So I will be putting my keys on that and using that right away. Time for some fashion items. So I have actually 2 pair of shoes. So first pair are these pair of Doc Martens, and these are a pair of loafers. Hold on. So these are the Adrian Rex loafers. I'll just hold one. And they have a little bit of a platform. There's one, I think, that's more flat. There's like a flatter version of this, and then there's like a real chunky version, and mine is like the mid kind of platform. And yeah, I love a good loafer, and honestly I feel like this is like the best quality you can get with Doc Marten. So I'm very excited for these. You see me styling those for sure. And FYI, I got these in a size 8. These are meant, or told, they're supposedly run big. I'm more like an 8, 8.5, but I got 8 and it fits me perfectly. Okay, so last gift to share, guys. Did I like speed through this? Because I was just so excited to get to this last gift. But Isabel Marant's. Christmas and Isabel Marant's. Okay, I feel like the last few Christmases I've gotten like Isabel Marant almost every year. But super excited about this. Let's get into it. So, dust bag. Take them out. I got the classic Isabel Marant's Beckett's sneakers. So these are the iconic, at this point, Isabel Marant's platform sneakers. This has the hidden platform inside, and these are the original Beckett's in black. I've been wanting these for a while. I feel like this is just so 2010, but I feel like they're making a comeback, at least in my mind, and I'm going to definitely be rocking them this winter. So yeah, I'm so excited to finally have them. So I have my Isabel Marant sneakers. I got all the beauty products this year and a little Chanel. And yeah, I am super excited, guys. That is everything I got for Christmas 2023. I am super thankful for everything I received. Lovely, lovely gifts. But yeah, I just wanted to say again, if I don't see you guys until the new year, happy 2024. I hope you're enjoying this time, this holiday time. If you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you're subscribed, like, share, do all the things for me for this holiday season as a gift to me. Why don't you share my channel with someone you've never shared it with before? And yeah, I'll see you guys in 2024. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, guys.